How long have your nails been on here for?
Over 3 weeks.
Over 3 weeks. And she's almost in tears because she can't get them off. Fair warning to anybody that uses this glue that you've seen on TikTok for press-on nails. It works. We bought the viral nail glue remover. How you have one of these, nail remover, and you put it on it.
Pro tip, don't cover the whole nail in glue.
Just going underneath the nail with the actual nail glue remover.
Oh.
Does it hurt?
This one.
What do you want to tell to the people, Jessie?
Get off. This has been a 2-day process.
Also tried soaking her nails in
Oil and soap and hot water for 10 minutes.
Nothing worked. This nail glue remover works. Need a hug.
I was panicking about my nails.
That's all right. You're okay. You're safe. Shh.
I can't believe I have to put on another set tomorrow.
Aww.